Similar to the one that I have right here, guys. Let's see if I can jump on it quickly, guys. Goes all the way up to the north, all the way to Labrador. Beautiful metro. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys the new metro system in Quito from Quito station. Like you saw in my last video, there's this metro station that connects to the Quito bus station. So let's have a look at how this metro station looks like, guys. Firstly, it is world class. It is super clean, guys. This is the ticket offices over here, and one of the first things you guys will need is to get yourself a card, a train tickets card or a metro card, similar to the one that I have right here, guys. Apparently you can buy it from these machines, but I don't know if it's functioning yet. But I would recommend getting it at the counter that I showed you. Here's one around right over here. Once you have that, you can use it here. You can use your card over here to recharge it. Guys, it is world class. Like I said, super easy to use. Each metro that you use costs around 45 cents in dollars, so it's very affordable, guys, and it's super fast. So I'm going to go to the north now, so I'm going to show you guys how it works. So once you have your card, you just scan it here, and then you go through, and then you just decide where you want to go. So you have two options here. You can either go further south if you're in another station, or in my case you would go north. I'm going towards Labrador, so I would go down here. You can see the metro right here, guys. I'm gonna miss it, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. Guys, it is world class. It's a really modern system. I know Ecuador took around 8 to 10 years to build it, but like I said, guys, it is absolutely world class. Let's get a closer look. I can't get in here actually, but let's try and get a nice look of the metro, guys. I think it's about to leave. Let's see if I can jump on it quickly, guys. So you guys can see how the metro system looks, guys. It's really full at the moment. Also with the situation in Ecuador, there's a lot of police presence, as you can see. But guys, it's really clean. It's a really clean system, modern, and I can see a lot of Ecuadorians are using it now. It's also a much better system than the current bus system because it is much faster. The bus system, if you go from the south all the way to the north, depending on where you're going, you'll get affected by traffic, unfortunately. So the times are pretty much double the time in a bus or in a taxi, or in a car actually. So if you use the metro system, it'll be much faster, guys. I mean, if I go from Quito from the south, for example, to the Centro Histórico, it's about 12 minutes, guys, which is super fast. If I take a taxi from Quito to Centro Histórico, it's around 40 minutes.
Por tu comodidad, distribúyete a lo largo del tren. El metro te lleva a tu lugar de destino.
So yeah, guys, if you go from Quito to, let's say, La Carolina in the north, it's about an hour, guys, especially with traffic. In the metro, it'll take you, I think, around 20 minutes, 18 to 20 minutes. So definitely recommend using this system, guys. So I just came out of the metro, guys. That was a really efficient and fast metro, guys. World class. Here you guys can see the map of where the metro goes, guys. So So I came from here, from Quitumbe. You can see it goes all the way up to the north, all the way to Labrador. Labrador is near Bicentenario Park. You want to go to the Carolinas around here. La Carolina over here and Quito is both in the Carolina Park, guys. You can see the metro over here going, guys. Beautiful metro. I mean, look how clean it is here, guys. I mean, it is pretty new. It's only been functioning for 2 months, I think now. But still, guys, this is really impressive. I think it's probably one of the most modern and beautiful metros of South America, guys. I think all the other South American metros are pretty old right now and probably need maintenance, but this one is definitely, well, the newest and the most modern that I've seen so far, guys. So I definitely recommend using it. If you guys want to use a fast and efficient and affordable way of traveling around Quito, then you should definitely try this metro, guys. And as I mentioned, what's really positive is that it's connected to the Quitumbe bus station. So if you need to take a bus to go to a further area, you can just go and use the metro all the way to the bus station. I think what's also positive is there's a lot of people using the metro now, so that should give enough funds to the government to then extend this metro line to other areas. I think the next really great station that they would probably build is a connection to the airport. I mean, once they do that, I mean, that will be a huge bonus, guys, for people that are traveling in or out of Quito, guys. So yeah, that is the metro station, guys. Really positive experience. As I said, it's world class, and I'll see you guys in the next video.